Hello again, y'all. So this is going to be a quick unboxing. I picked up some stuff from my mailbox this week. Actually, I picked it up last week and I still haven't opened it yet. So I'm like, let me go ahead, take a quick brain break from work and open up what I got. So I got two things. I got something from IPSY and something from The Real. So if you're not familiar with IPSY, it's a monthly beauty and skin care subscription. And you sign up. When you sign up for the subscription, they ask you tons of different questions, and including, the type of skin you have, from the shade of your skin color to the type of skin, if you have combination oily, what have you. It also asks you the type of makeup you wear, if you like mascara, if you like, eyeshadows, if you like nail polish, what have you. So there's a whole slew of questions they ask you. And then based on your answers, each month they put together a little package of goodies to send you. And I believe I just have the basic package. It's $25 a month in order to get 3 full-size bottles of whatever it is that they're sending us. So like, for instance, let me see, where is it? Oh yeah, it's right here. So I got this nail polish, Smith & Colt, from my last one, and I'm gonna try it again, because the thing is, it dries really quickly, which I like, but when I put it on my nails, it just didn't go on evenly. Do you see? It's just the color looks uneven. So that sucked. So I'm thinking maybe I put between 2.5 and 3 coats, because some I just put 2 and then maybe did a little bit more, slightly more. Others I put full on 3 coats. So I'm gonna start over, try to see if that'll, work out better for me. So anyways, this is a full size, bottle of nail polish that came, goodness gracious, in one of my earlier boxes, earlier monthly shipments. But this is the newest one. This is the one I got for February. And like I said, I just got it last week. I should have gotten it in mid-February, but because of all of the delays going on with shipping, they shipped out my package, I believe it was the 10th of February, and I didn't get it until the 25th. Or no. They shipped it out on the 10th, and it showed shipping, but the next time it showed up again with the tracking information was like around the 25th. And then I got the package, I believe, on Saturday the 27th, or maybe it was Friday the 26th. Either way, I've had this for like a week and a half now, but I should have had it in the middle of February. Because, for example, I just got a notification that my March IPSY just shipped, and I should get it by the 16th of this month. So hopefully no delays in shipping. But anyways, let me go on and open this up. Should I open it this way? Well, I'm gonna open it up this way. So it usually comes in a bag. And as you can see, this one's red with lips, which makes sense because this was for the February shipment. Oh, there's some more in here. Oh, yay. Okay. So this is what I got. Oh, and I should say, in addition to, you pay the flat fee, the $25, I believe it's 25 or 20 per month. No, it's 25 per month. And you get 3 full-size items. And it can be anything. It could be skincare, it could be makeup, nail polish, what have you. Then you have the option of upgrading. And so you can upgrade and add other items. You can add, full-size bottles of skincare or makeup or what have you. And they just charge you a fraction of what the retail price is. So anyhow, for this month, I got a bunch of loot. One of them was this. And this was not an upgrade. This is what they offered. So it was Anastasia Beverly Hills. And where's the color? Y'all, 560W. Y'all, when I almost fell out when I saw this was the color option, I was like, are you kidding me? When you're dark skinned, it's almost 90% of the time, the color options that are offered, well, they just don't work for you. Like whenever I buy my stuff from Lancome or anything else, the gift with purchase, if it's eyeshadows or if it's a lipstick or lip liner, yeah, they're usually along the paler scale. And it just doesn't look as good without doctoring it somehow. When I saw that this was the color they were offering, 560W, I was like, okay, let me not get excited. Let me check out the color range, because for MAC, if it's like the 560s, 530s, 540s, for Lancome, I wear a 55. So anything beginning with the 5, I normally think is on the darker end of the scale. But I didn't want to get excited, so I went to the Anastasia website. Y'all, when I saw the colors for this range, I was like, oh, I gotta try it. So I tried this. So this is one of the ones that was included in the 25. Then I got this. I don't even remember ordering this. Maybe this was one of the other. I don't even remember ordering this, but I did get some skincare. Let's see here. This I did. I got the makeup brush. This was an upgrade. I paid the additional fee in order to add another item to my monthly subscription, because I'm thinking I got the liquid foundation. I might as well get a professional brush to apply it with. So got that. Let's see what else is here. Ooh, what is this? Let me read this. Blender concealer. Blender concealer. Huh. Oh, blender cleanser. Okay, so this is some kind of, it's cleanser for, oh, did I get a beauty blender? Is that what I did? Let's see. No, that's not beauty blender. What is this? Universal C skin refiner. Okay, so skincare. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, I did get a beauty blender. Oh, the lid fell off, but oh, okay, cool. So here we go. So here, so I did get a beauty blender, and this will be my first one. Ooh, queen. All right now, all right now. Let's see what else. There's a little something still in here. What is this? Oh, brow gel. Okay, so I'm pretty sure what I picked was this. These were the 3 full-size items I got for the month. And I guess I upgraded to this. Golly. I don't know. I usually don't pay that much more. I might get 1 or 2, usually 1 upgrade. But 3? Oh, it was my birthday month. Never mind. I probably got extras, or I just said it was my birthday month and I'm going to spend more on myself than I normally do. Oh, yeah, because I got this too. Huh. Now I'm just at a loss, because I usually do not get this many things in a package. But I'll look at the, because I know the bill. I swear the bill was like 41 bucks. So it's normally 25, and then I got a couple upgrades. But all of this, oh, I'm not mad about it. Maybe it's a birthday thing they do. I'll have to look it up on my account. But I'm very happy. Can't wait to try it out. What's this? Send love, February 2021. Huh. Do these this month. Huh. I was wondering if it would say anything about the extra, but it doesn't. That's all right. I will be trying this out later. Go ahead and put this on over here. Ooh, I'm excited about this lipstick. And about this right here. And yeah, I got a beauty blender, cleanser. Alrighty. And actually, I'm pretty excited about this. Let's see what this shade looks like. I mean, from the Anastasia website. I mean, I got this from IPSY, but, and I hope that's how you pronounce it. Who knows? But, uh-oh. Ah, it is! It's chocolatey. I don't know if it's chocolatey enough for me, but let me go ahead and try it. Might as well since I'm here, huh? Okay, so putting it on my, oh, you're not gonna come out? Oh, it doesn't wanna come, that's not working. Huh. Okay, here we go. Ooh, it might be a little red. Oh, it might be just a little light, period. All right, let me try blending this in. Oh yeah, that might be a little too red. I'm blending it in some. Yeah, it might be a little too red. Yeah, do you see that? That's a little too light for me. Huh. Wonder if I can mix it with something. Because I ain't no returning it. 560W. It seemed like it was so much darker. Okay then. Well, I just put it on. I'm not mad at it. Let me see. Let me let it dry. Because I do know, like with Pat McGrath, her foundations, once it dries, it's beautiful. But when I first put it on for the shade, you know, my shade match, I was like, oh, sister girl, you did this wrong. But it actually works beautifully. I just had to let it dry. So let's see what this does once it dries. Huh. I can't. My naked eye, it looks a little red to me. You know? Anyways, I've spent 11 minutes on talking about this right here. What I'm really excited about, well, I'm excited about that too, but I'm really excited about these shoes. Oh, well, I guess I put the cat out of the bag here, but me and the Real have really become besties. I'm sorry, I'm cheating on you, Fashion File, but you just ain't doing it for me right now. Not that you're not doing it for me, but I think I've gotten all I need from Fashion File. I'm moving on to my, I don't know, ready to wear journey, clothing journey, what have you. Fashion File is still my boo though for jewelry and for bags. Just can't beat their deals and prices. I mean, hell, the ring I'm wearing right now, this 3-stone, it's a 3-stone Cartier love ring. Child, I got it, it's like $2,000 off. It was beautiful. Ooh. Oh my gosh, they look like they're gonna be beautiful. They are beautiful. Ah! Okay, let me open the other one. Oh my gosh. And yes, I can see Versace. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. So excited. Oh, I can't believe it. They're gorgeous. They're gorgeous. They're gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I love them. They look even better than I thought they would. I mean, I was already excited about them, but oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. So yes, these are a pair of Versace Flats, or what do you call it, slip-ons, or what do you call it, loafers. There you go, loafers. Child, it doesn't look like anyone even used them before. Oh, this was such a good deal. Oh no, yeah, there's a little wear and tear on it. Okay, but whoever used it maybe wore it, what, once? Oh, these are so cute. Oh, okay, I thought they were both the same side shoe, but no, this is the left and a right. Okay, good. So Versace, made in Italy. These are so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I didn't think I was a Versace fan, but I mean, I just didn't think about them at all. Oh, where's this? Oh, it's probably reflecting from that. Okay then. Because I'm like, where is this rainbow coming in? This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love them. I love me a loafer. I really do. I have a bunch of them. Oh my God, my room is a little... Yeah, I just knocked over my computer. But anyways, I have a bunch of like loafers. I love me a loafer. Love me a loafer. But anywho, computer on the ground, Lord. Anyways. Okay, so that's it. That's my unboxing. I got a pair of shoes and my IPSY for the month. All right, y'all, until next time. Oh, I can't wait to try these. Oh yeah, I'm looking forward to this. All right, until next time, y'all. Bye.